ఐటీ ఎగుమతుల్లో గత ఏడాది 18% వృద్ధి రేటు సాధించడం ద్వారా పెట్టుబడులకు హైదరాబాద్ అనుకూలమనే విషయాన్ని ప్రపంచానికి చెప్పగలిగామని రాష్ట్ర ఐటీ పరిశ్రమల శాఖ మంత్రి కె తారక రామారావు అన్నారు. హైదరాబాద్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఎంటర్ప్రైజెస్ అసోసియేషన్ 28వ వార్షిక సదస్సు హైసియా ఇన్నోవేషన్ సమ్మిట్ 2020లో కేటీఆర్ ముఖ్య అతిథిగా పాల్గొన్నారు.
Remember the millions of migrant workers walking on our national highways this very year during the lockdown. It's been a very emotional year, let me put it that way. But in the midst of all this gloom, in the midst of all this pandemic, the one industry which has been offering hope, the one industry which has been doing very well, in spite of the fact that you had to switch, change gears and adopt, is the information technology industry. And my compliments to the entire industry. I think you guys deserve a big round of applause. Because no matter what, you guys really held up the fort and stayed put, did what you had to do, deliver what you had to deliver. And therefore today we see some very encouraging news coming from the IT sector from various quarters. In fact, I'm also delighted that you guys could come together because HYSIA and even all the other IT companies here have come together, have been able to raise nearly 100 crores of rupees as donations from the industry bodies HYSIA, AmCham, TAI, NASSCOM in collaboration with United Way of Hyderabad, and you've contributed immensely to the medical infrastructure in the state of Telangana. My wholehearted gratitude to all of you who've participated and who've encouraged and supported us. These proceeds were primarily used to procure the state-of-the-art COVID testing equipment for the government hospitals in Telangana. These machines will primarily come to the benefit of the poor people who visit these government hospitals. And more importantly, in fact, several individuals and several other institutions, the IT companies, have also collaborated with local NGOs on the ground for distributing ration, cooked food, have provided clothing, a lot of you. So my compliments, and HYSIA took a lead role in this. My compliments to the entire team of HYSIA for actually coming forward. And then just when we thought the COVID is on a low ebb, we've also seen once in a 100-year kind of a rainfall in Hyderabad, and we've also seen resultant floods which have again highlighted the inadequacy with respect to our stormwater drain infrastructure. We were not exactly prepared for such a situation. A lot needed to be done holistically. We are of course on the drawing table, and we will be doing a lot to ensure that this does not occur. But again, even during this crisis, several IT companies have come forward and donated even for the flood relief in Hyderabad. Recently Infosys has come forward and has taken up some works in Firzati Guda near their Pocharam campus. Very heartening to see multinational companies taking the responsibility of society around them. My compliments to Infosys on this initiative. The SME part of HYSIA has taken up the initiative to suggest various measures to support the small and medium enterprises. And in this regard, we have communicated to the Union Minister for IT, and most of the recommendations that we made relating to addressing credit issues were taken